Una toko kwa na bono iga. Dr. Kengo Fred Matiang'i oikira Kenya. Okolre sabali ya ngumbu. Angechi wiki sato bono. No bali ngina Gachagua, Uhuru na lengo, Martha Karua na lengo, Justin Muturi na lengo. Bono iranire kokori mtu bya Kenya ga. Information imbugate ne linga Dr. Kengo Fred Matiang'i talikora na US very soon again. Maybe later on with 2027 was 26 towards the end. Lakini oikira Kenya kuchaka is official political activities. Also information imbugate ne linga Dr. Kengo Fred Matiang'i resignation paper ya it's a resignation letter ya anja accepted and officially orule kurua World Bank. Bono uchira Kenya ko kolega ya politics. Now, bono lingana ndro lisumbweta ba Kenya across. Utatika ba Kenya aba kusimono. Ingana kiel. Nchamaki Dr. Kengo Fred Matiang'i agachikurwanira obugambi nakyo in 2027. Ekina kinte tembaro kia se video step by step. Lakini ndara akora boigo aso wanje koino onye neli tukuli tangani okora chi video chane aso wanje kwa subscribe because muri channel ya nenge ya gusimu kwa gusi version. Lakini balibara gani cheke songo ni Kiswahili nimbwate channel yende kuri kumukwa times na muko gendo mu subscribe ni mole ga singo kororo. Tiga without much wasting of time insoe as a topic ya lero. Ekiama kiama Matiang'i in 2027. Now, boniga kiama kene ngira soka. Kira oroki interest nga Matiang'i abe candidate yabo. But Matiang'i ostevere mbiro ebinge. But isko ga mbivere vyuka. UPA na Jubilee. Now, tika kwanza nchake kubaira through aseki era nyarika nenga Matiang'i na baragenda na Jubilee. Number 1, a structure ya Jubilee Party. Jubilee Party structure, it cuts across kuruguru mpakas. Mbabade party leader, mpaka chichi ya person, asichi ward. Kenya ngima. Ukurikili scenario mni yu, a structure kero ndaisi, asa Matiang'i ko get in and to start his campaigns. Na chaka chi campaign boni iganga, agane mobilization ya kuruma ndera, Kisii, Homa Bay. Leaders wa Jubilee mbako yataki mbaro. That's number 1. A structure ni ya muhimu. Boni gaiso chake party yae. Mpaka chakuli kichi chairman across paka down to the villages. Nere possible, but also it is taking a lot of resources. Chiva si nyingi chiraga niru, bintu mne vikoro. Kuigare chuo visi across. Jubilee ne watu visi kera asika ya boni. So, any one of the reasons as to why Matiang'i settle as a Jubilee. Number 2. A fact nelinga Matiang'i no alenga as establishment of the party ya Jubilee. Kere Jubilee kia kora wasigu, Matiang'i no alenga yomo. Mwenyorete, achakito kolega Asunuru Kenyatta in 2013 as ICT cabinet secretary. Agasuka agacha education. Agacha interior. Evyonzi kibiko korua, vya korutuwa the administration ya Jubilee. In 2017, Uhuru Kenyatta kakuri yobo gani. Jubilee agutumia. Na Matiang'i no linki interior cabinet secretary. Chinga kiecho Matiang'i akorete kazi ya muhimu sana. There's no way interior cabinet secretary ya Uhuru Kenyatta. Ya alikuwa batema what is happening around Jubilee establishment. So Matiang'i kwa part and parcel of that party. Na wadi obligation yoko lende party yeju kwenye agacha na kwa party leader nye kwenye alikana. Ikoka kubuli bugami mpaka consider kwanza party ya nero yende kaingo nyebeka. So in a nutshell, Matiang'i is part and parcel of the Jubilee Party. Ikobano kwenye tika agende party ngao na kongo. Ndoma I think that is this idea nga it emerged from Mount Kenya. Yes, a party package ake kuruwasi. But Matiang'i was part and parcel. Number 2, its coverage. Jubilee Party, it's all over the country. It is known across. Anye kemanye kanete across. Era chukuma bera raisi. Asa Matiang'i kuamua. Na kumanyikana across the country. Ngana erongo vahali with the Jubilee Party. Than any other party ura bring on yocha go popularize. Esa babu yendara achiri na Jubilee. political connections chama tiangi cho speech re Jubilee aba na siasa bonse pia kolega sinabu bali Jubilee Kibicho Uhuru n'abantu bange ibali Jubilee igobone yako chakolega asiamo na inde kwira na korosi gasi yabebe bya ase campaign yego cha 2027 era abera isi mono ase matiai kwenigage kubwabone yako establish another party na kuliki political connections across. Although ekibado ngere possible endara nyora abantu abaya bakongumbo iyo but rende so far that's also a reason matiangera gira consider Jubilee party esa babyende it is finance a party nega ntichibasa to run successfully across the country boni galo tukugamba Jubilee ngwe chibasa ne serikali as part to the constitution eko never the party members never the cabinet secretaries never the MPs never the governor ko bwata abantu bunaba asebiro ngoro bari chibasa tichabo cha kawaida subscription. Apart from that, the government is a budget chibasa chibyama nchiro chikwenana chinyinge sana. Considering chibasa mnecho na uchiko konya matiangi asokorosie party across. Make sure campaign ya yaberuvia. Emipango ye party akorovia. Esa babi yende nene Uhuru Kenyatta na basani bae bande mbate ko fund matiangi's campaign. Lakini mbaga netiko part and parcel of the candidate ya matiangi. Era nyarekane through the party. Tego nyarekana party mbavu at stakeholder. Alafu candidate nguru gusiye koru. Una Mount Kenya na kibago feel because most of the allies ba be party ya Jubilee nguru Mount Kenya. So gusiye candidate Mount Kenya ruki e party. Ba chamu ba yumura na sigete ikora. From there bakoli campaign. Ine plan ngagerde matianya bwate. Sababu yende Mount Kenya. Mount Kenya nega netikutuara a feeling nga na intuntule part and parcel of matiangi. But a party ya Jubilee origin ya Mount Kenya. Ba isoko soka o support matiangi. A feeling nero in Mount Kenya nga a candidate ye a party utimia ne yeto. Igo Jubilee ne yeto bado. Igo wakira matiangi to be easier because already ne party ya soba because yokole chempichi nyinga na uchiruwete. Igobona chisababu china enanire nchisa ine ko propel matiangi atumie the UPA the Jubilee party. Now baliba ku ibuli gore ya UPA ningi kiragere Dr. Kengo Fred Matiangi taswa UPA first ntomete party yero UPA ga goswa tibade ko ngubonde bonse unless factors echina kuneire ase party ya Jubilee makongo bonde bonse mboyo lakini bono ingi kiragera tanye choose. Number 1 is the nationality picture. Enosho nero nga UPA ne anyamiroka akego na kisi yakachemsie nguru wachira bono kwenye popularize the national level it take a lot of resources and time. Oguriye structure yae epati rida nyalibo chairman national chairman nyambia kisesa secretary general no mumzie ku Kisi county. That is not nationalism. A international party up to that level na venga DAP na yaro mnyo kolindu bya igogo ikaweka ransense baibange e party ya first national a chairman erugosen ghost a party leader mpaka be Matiangi talinya libo secretary general erune yarangao simbuluye kurwa ubono e party ya bere national lakini beso kwenye kora leadership and operations ibanya miroka nako batembe sana kwa kanenga kie Matiangi achae banyire bairechi baigoro chobis coast baigoro chobis bogere but the fact is mbanyo uri tukokole mangana yanga bakote mapema immediately basweto bugambi bachake ku stretch chimba bachabo but bono bagakira mpaka Matiangi arachugocha bono tiko nyalika na kokole ndivyo people ngo bono iga. Now, esa babu yenene financial support. Muna nakuwa na Jubilee never the ability ngao. UPA tebu ati member of parliament. Bono ya agari renga UPA no toka mba bono iga. Mpake chukoro kora abera kando. because financial muscles cha ichirense ngo kwenye fund. They only depend on the county government maybe because subscriptions and elected members abwate nabake tikunyalekana esechisane cyo support ye party operations across. Boni kama tiangina kaniko digiti members of parliament tabwate but Jubilee ne katiki ne bwate leaders brate ne ndaba kwale esa babu yenene notion nero nganyamira tera akora byo sobogambi ni kiama kero in charge ni kianyalibo kiama tiangi ekire UPA bona antu banyis associated UPA na poor performance bona kuchikonelia abantu UPA the same is not an easy thing. Bona Matiang'i is feeling probably it's good to go with another party. But rende ntole sure ninde sure nga na amwagana na UPA bado na wako pump enough resources banye market eba national party. Tima tiomo anchomo tegere no muligeli ninkyorocha about the parties. But just a comment section share with me in party kyoroche Dr. Kengo Fred Matiang'i ara to me for 2027. Share with me, my name is Abel Mukwa, to subscribe. See you next time.